I call this China plays negotiation like chess. The master of the art of the deal just met the masters of the art of war. See, what triggered the sell off? Trump posted that China will clamp exports starting November 1st. Markets heard supply shock and panic. Stocks dropped, cryptos dumped, and liquidity vanished fast. See, what China is really doing? China is not blocking everything. They are tightening the controls on rare earths and high grade magnets. Quick definition: rare earths are special metals used in EV motors, wind turbines, missiles, and chips. China processes most of that of the world's supply. Control the choke point, you control the terms. So, why is it a smart chess move? Timing before big talks. This narrows the control that hits U.S. defense and tech. Pressure without a full burn. It signals strength, protects home industry, and buys leverage at the table. So, why did this trigger Trump to retaliate back with a 100% tariff? Well, it looks like a broken truce. It exposes a weak link in U.S. supply chains. It hands China short-term price power. Think neodymium magnets up, production timelines pushed out, and sentiment risk on full display. So, who has the edge in these tariff talks? China's edge is processing dominance and fast policy moves. The United States' edge is a tariff hammer in their largest consumer market and allied sourcing. Short term, China can raise the prices. Long term, the U.S. can reroute and reshore. All right, so here's 5 things that I'm looking out for. 1, any 100% tariff talk and how fast it becomes a real policy. 2, the magnet and rare earth price spikes. 3, the supply chain pivots to Australia, Canada, and U.S. producers. 4, the tech earnings that guide lower on part delays. And 5, the risk of premium across AI, EV, and defense names. Remember, this is a volatility event. It's a reaction, not the end of the world. I will break down the positioning inside my private community with exact watch lists and levels, and I'm going live on social later today for the public cliff notes. So, time and strategy if you want the deep dive link and be a student of strategy and not a victim to headlines.